Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will check, clean and show you about the following mini cars here. This one is a tank or Mobil tanki, Indonesian language, a tank. Okay, the next one, about this one, cement mixer truck, a nice cement mixer truck. Now check the next one. How about this one? Monster truck, mini monster truck, a nice truck with yellow color, red color, silver color and black color. Okay, now check the next one, another interesting vehicle. How about this one? Police car, a nice police car. Let's move to another vehicle. How about this one? Mini airplane. Okay, this one is a mini airplane. My dream airplane. Supercar, green color. Supercar green color. Check the next one. Okay. A ladder truck. Everybody, this is a ladder truck with shoot colors. How about this one? Army truck. It is a kind of off-road truck, off-road car. Now check the next. How about this one, everybody? A cement mixer. A cement mixer truck. A cute cement mixer truck. How about this one? We use this truck to move, to transport some cars, other cars, to everywhere we want to go. Okay, let's move to another truck, another vehicle here. How about this one? Excavator, a nice excavator. Okay, let's go to another interesting car. How about this one, everybody? A nice truck with a sunflower head. A nice truck with a sunflower head. Now check the next one. How about this one? Bulldozer. A nice, a new bulldozer. Transportation car. Transportation truck. Okay, transportation truck. It's not a transportation car, but it's a truck. Okay, how about this one? Mini monster truck, red color. Supercar, mini supercar, green color. Okay, another monster truck, ORA. About this one, another interesting, another cute monster truck. Everybody, okay, let's move to another place. Okay, how about this one? Mobil Truk or truck. Everybody, if you like my video, please write down, like, and especially click the subscribe button. So now thank you for watching. See you next time. Goodbye. Good luck. Don't forget to enjoy your day. Be happy every time, everywhere. Goodbye.